guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do this spicy design. So if you guys want to figure out how to do it, stay tuned. I'm going to be taking Madam Glam's Perfect Black, and I'm obsessed with this black because it is just straight black. Like, you don't have to worry about any shadowing or anything like that. It is just like, look at that. Look at how pigmented that is. So I like to turn my nails sideways so I can really get close and I can kind of see where that brush is going, how it's going under my sidewalls, because I do have, I don't want to say, I like to call them fluffy sidewalls. I know that's not the technical term, but I like to call them fluffy. Okay. I just love how this applies. So just taking it down. Just gonna wipe a little bit off because I am going towards that cuticle area. And I don't like to have a lot on my brush, especially going towards those sidewalls. Now, if you've been with me, you know black tends to be the bane of my existence because I get it everywhere. So, I'm not gonna lie, I just make my job a lot easier, and I take a little striping brush to get into the tighter places. 'Cause I'm too old for this. Let me try to get it perfect. Because to be honest, I don't feel like dealing with the full brush and trying to get this perfect. I got a fluff in it. All right, gave that guy a cure. I'm going to take this black liner brush from Bellavina, and these have a lot of polish in them, so I like to essentially wipe almost every single thing off this guy and kind of just put it back in there. You can use the Madam Glam one. This one is just literally already done for me, so I just find it easier to choose a brush or gel polish that is essentially meant for this. Okay, I'm going to come across. I'm not sure if you can tell, I'm using the brush as the way I'm pushing it over. So I'm pushing down on the brush, which allows me to get a straight line. Well, it's always harder, I find, for me personally, in the back area of the nail to keep things straight. I'm going to, yeah, I'm gonna do an X on this one, but leave that gap in the middle. Yeah, this guy is all line work, which I should have known better, especially if you watch my other Valentine's Day look. Doing this straight down the middle, well, the best I can at least. I take that back. Let's go these. All right, so I have these gold studs. I originally was going to do silver, but I didn't have any silver ones. But I think these will be fine. So I'm taking a little bit of base gel. And this is just from gelish, which is gelish foundation, to curve it just a little bit, not too much. It will lay flat. So let me show you from the side. So you can see there's literally no lift to it. It's super flat. So again, I take something and then push it down. So what that's gonna do is it's going to slightly bend to the middle to make it flat or flatter. I'm gonna cure those. So I have this one also from Double Dip, and I think that one would work fine, but I'm kind of feeling this metallic one. Plus I feel like this gold is gonna be a little grungy, although that doesn't really match. The one from Double Dip matches. So I also have all these little beads and these puffy studs, and I might do the puffy studs on this guy. Taking that gelish foundation. For the next hour, I'm gonna lay all these studs. No, I'm just kidding. I like these square ones for this nail. I think I'm gonna do half, but I'm gonna finish straightening them out so you don't have to watch. We are straightened out the best I could. It is what it is, it's fine. Let's see what else we got. So maybe what I'll do here, again, taking that gel. I'm gonna take a dotting tool for the rest because I mean, I get it, but I think we'll be okay with a dotting tool. Well, I hope. All right, I hope I'm not gonna regret this, but I'm feeling matte, and I also think I want the little guys matte as well. I mean, I guess worst case scenario, I can come in and top coat them. So I'm actually flash curing after each one because of the little brads that we have on. They might pool, and I don't want that to happen. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling that matte, and I think it looks awesome over the little, what are these called? Whatever they're called, studs, because I think it just gives it a little extra something. So I'm adding my cuticle oil. All right, here we go. I love it so much. You can do whatever you want on your thumb. Honestly, I'd probably paint it black, but I just don't feel like dealing with it. So, all right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little spicy nail design. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.